Welcome to the Compost channel. Today we're going to fix a very common mistake. Many people have the habit of dumping fresh sawdust from a workshop directly around the base of their plants. The result is that green leaves start turning yellow and gradually die off. The root cause is nitrogen lock in the soil, a very serious biological issue. As sawdust breaks down, microorganisms need a large amount of nitrogen to survive, and they compete with your plants for nutrients. To completely fix this problem, we need to follow a proper composting process. The first critical pillar in handling sawdust is balancing carbon and nitrogen. Sawdust is extremely high in carbon, but severely lacking in essential nitrogen. The golden rule here is to mix 3 parts sawdust with 1 part nitrogen source. You can use chicken manure, composted cow manure, or even diluted urine. The brownish-yellow sawdust combined with green nitrogen sources creates the perfect nutritional base. Use a shovel to mix thoroughly so both components are evenly blended together. The second, equally important pillar is controlling the moisture level of the compost pile. If the pile is too dry, beneficial microbes won't be able to thrive and decomposition will stop. On the other hand, if you add too much water, the pile will lack oxygen and start to smell bad. The ideal moisture level is like a sponge that has just been wrung out. When you squeeze a handful, no water should drip out, but it should still hold its shape. Water acts as a powerful catalyst, helping dissolve minerals so microbes can easily consume them. The next step in the process is active management. You can't just leave the pile and walk away. You must turn the compost pile regularly, about once every 7 days. Frequent turning supplies plenty of oxygen for aerobic bacteria to work efficiently. As aerobic bacteria grow, they generate heat that helps kill harmful pathogens. Steam rising from the pile is a great sign that decomposition is happening. If you neglect turning, anaerobic bacteria will take over and create a foul-smelling mess. A sturdy garden fork will be your best tool to make this job easier. Typically, a natural sawdust compost pile takes about 3 months to fully break down into fertilizer. But for busy gardeners, waiting that long can be a real challenge. That's why I'm going to share a few powerful tips to speed things up. The first tip is to use wood ash from your household stove or fireplace. Wood ash is rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that stimulate microbial activity. Simply sprinkle a thin layer of ash over the pile and gently mix it in. Next is the secret weapon, liquid biofertilizer, also known as microbial solution. This liquid contains billions of beneficial bacteria ready to rapidly consume sawdust. When you apply it, you're activating a massive workforce of microbes working day and night. With this combination, composting time can dramatically drop to under 30 days. But that's not all. We also need to address an important secret about soil pH. During decomposition, sawdust releases organic acids that significantly lower pH. An overly acidic environment can damage plant roots and prevent nutrient absorption. To neutralize this excess acidity, we need to add natural alkaline materials. Crushed eggshell powder is a great option. It's inexpensive and rich in calcium. You can also use agricultural lime by sprinkling a thin layer over the pile. These white particles blend with the sawdust to create a perfectly balanced neutral environment. Calcium from eggshells not only balances pH, but also strengthens plant cell walls. When carbon, nitrogen, moisture, oxygen, and pH are all properly controlled, something amazing happens. The rough sawdust gradually breaks down into dark, fluffy, rich compost. That earthy, forest after rain smell is the clearest sign of success. At this point, you can confidently apply this finished compost around your plants. Sawdust compost acts like a protective layer, helping the soil retain moisture during hot days. It also feeds earthworms, nature's hard-working soil engineers. Roots can easily spread through the loose soil and absorb nutrients more effectively. Leaves that once turned yellow from nitrogen deficiency will begin to recover and turn green again. Plants will grow lush and strong, reaching for sunlight and promising a bountiful harvest. Composting sawdust isn't just a gardening technique. It's an art of understanding nature. You're turning what seems like waste into a valuable black gold that nurtures new life. Always remember that all organic matter follows a beautiful natural cycle. Your patience and effort will be rewarded with a thriving garden. Never repeat the mistake of applying fresh sawdust directly to soil. Always compost it properly. Share this useful gardening knowledge with friends who love growing plants to help create greener spaces. A small action can make a big difference in protecting our soil ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and leave a comment. We're always ready to listen to your questions and feedback. Your questions inspire us to create even better content. Let's spread a green lifestyle together, starting with simple actions in our home gardens. Taking care of the soil is like taking care of your health. It requires patience, science, and love. Healthy soil grows strong plants and provides clean, safe food for your family. Thank you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on the Compost channel. Happy gardening!